Welcome back, investors. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of managing your small apartment investments: inspections. You know, that thing you might dread, but that can save you thousands in costly repairs down the line. We're talking about creating a comprehensive checklist that'll help you spot potential problems before they turn into major headaches. Let's get started. Let's start with the exterior. This is your property's first impression. Check the roof for missing or damaged shingles, inspect exterior walls for cracks or water damage, and ensure windows are sealed tight. Don't forget the gutters. Check the foundation for cracks. Finally, inspect parking lots and walkways for safety. Now let's head inside and talk about the systems that keep your property running smoothly. HVAC, plumbing and electrical. The trifecta of potential money pits if neglected. Start with HVAC units. Are they running efficiently? Any strange noises? Next, plumbing, check for leaks, drips or corrosion. Don't forget the water heater, a ticking time bomb if not maintained. Finally, check electrical panels. Loose wiring, overheating, better safe than sorry. Okay, we've covered the individual units, but let's not forget about those common areas. These are the spaces where tenants interact, and first impressions matter here too. Hallways, stairwells, lobbies, anywhere tenants go. Is the lighting adequate? Are there any tripping hazards? And let's not forget about cleanliness. A little elbow grease goes a long way. A well-maintained property attracts quality tenants. Now let's talk safety, because that's non-negotiable. We're talking smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, emergency exits, the whole 9 yards. Make sure those smoke detectors are functioning and up to code. Check those fire extinguishers, are they charged and easily accessible? And those emergency exits, are they clearly marked and free of obstructions? Remember, a safe property is a responsible investment. All right, we're back outside for round 2. This time we're focusing on those less obvious signs of wear and tear that can quickly snowball into expensive repairs. Think peeling paint, cracked siding, loose shingles, those little things that tenants might not even notice, but that you definitely don't want to ignore. Catching these issues early can save you a ton of money in the long run. Chapter 6. HVAC and plumbing leaks, the silent money drainers. Let's focus on 2 areas that can silently drain your profits: HVAC and plumbing leaks. Even a small leak can lead to water damage, mold, and high utility bills. Check under sinks, around toilets, and near HVAC units for any signs of moisture or discoloration. Listen closely for any dripping or hissing sounds. Those are telltale signs something's amiss. Chapter 7. Safety and accessibility. Creating a welcoming environment for everyone. Let's talk about safety and accessibility. Identify and address potential hazards. Check handrails. Are they secure? Are steps even and well lit? Are doorways wide enough? Are there ramps where needed? A safe, accessible property is a smart investment. Chapter 8. Pest infestation, the landlord's worst nightmare. Let's talk about every landlord's worst nightmare: pest infestations. Nobody wants to deal with rodents or insects. Early detection is key. Look for droppings, nests, or signs of pests. Call a professional exterminator at the first sign. Prevention is always better and cheaper than an infestation. Outro inspection checklist. Your key to property success. There you have it, investors. A complete checklist to guide you through your next small apartment inspection. By following this checklist, you can ensure your property remains in top condition, keeping your tenants happy and your investment secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on property management and investment. See you next time.